We have a political party, PDP, that is supposed to lead the opposition. But what do you have? Political charlatans hijacking the heartbeat of our opposition party and turning it into an errand platform for the ruling party. And I've given them my commitment that I will be incorruptible. I will be fearless. I will not shake. It is on this same ground, in this my compound, that they sent the assassins from Owerri that beheaded my uncles and killed our people. But I survived. Despite that, do I look like I'm scared? So you can keep on cooking things to frame me with. But my voice will be loud, and they will continue to run under the bed when I speak. The noise you hear today from those who have no conscience and those who have been bought with a plot of land will not swallow us. From this very spot, the message has gone around the whole country that all hopes have not been lost. And I will also saying clearly that PDP on PDP, the opposition leaders are now willing to make great sacrifice, because these men that have learned their politics from Mobutu Sese Seko, Nkurunziza of Burundi, and Paul Biya of Cameroon have challenged us. Their abracadabra have challenged us, and we must lead the people to this political battle. What they will see and the method that will be used is not what they have seen before. And like I said before in Igbo, Kimanka, Iman calls on. And we continue to stand in solidarity with our brothers in rivers, where they are desperately looking for their lost feeding bottle, so that they can take the resources of the people to use it to be flying all over Nigeria, creating crisis from Gombe, Boronu, in the name of destroying opposition. Opposition that did not do them anything. Because like fish out of water, they can't stay without government access to government resources. So brothers and sisters, leaders of this party, it is time to rise up.
Save Nigeria, save Nigeria, judiciary, save Nigeria, save Nigeria. Save Nigeria, judiciary, save Nigeria, save Nigeria.
And as long as we are concerned, the 27 lawmakers have lost their seats. Any attempt to use any means whatsoever, it will be an invitation to anarchy. It will be desecration of institutions to now say they are lawmakers so they can make an attempt to impeach a PDP governor. Let it be known. Not only that they will not impeach Fubara, Fubara will contest and win in 2027.
Not true, not true, not true, not true, not true, not true.
Let us not, because of one man's desperation to seize the resources of a state, attempt to pocket a state that is not his own, then we're going to change our constitutional laws. We're going to destroy political parties and opposition parties. Today they will obtain injunctions in different corners against Labour Party. From Labour Party to NMPP, from NMPP to PDP. Are we going to run our party politics with the courts? So we must unite. The fight ahead is going to be very decisive. But victory is at the end of the tunnel. There is hunger in the land. There is insecurity in the land. There is so much uncertainty across every part of Nigeria. That Damagun wants to sabotage PDP because he's working with Wike, and some governors are following him like Mumu. Is that what Nigeria should be discussing? Is that the right conversation we should be having? If you go to America, go to Ghana, is that the kind of conversation they have? NDC lost the election in Ghana. They were strong and united. Today, Mahama is at the verge of winning the election by December. Republicans lost, but did you see them jumping up and down? Today, Trump has won again. Why are our leaders behaving like this? Is it plot of land? What is it? Are we the only party to have lost the election? Is this what we are going to teach our children? Is this the way Azikiwe and Awolowo and Balewa did it? To put them where they belong. In Igbo they say, Kimanka Imankozo. Kimanka Imankozo. We understand. There's no other thing they can do in their life except this political chukuchuku. Nothing. So they are getting to a point where there's nothing they are known for except this sabotage. This is who they are born to be.